Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our Chevy Blazer here. Definitely needs some exhaust work. Blinkers to the left, blinkers to the right. Horn doesn't work. Wipers do work. Like I said, this is a restoration anyway, so fan works. So a little cold-blooded. There she's. But it seems to run pretty smooth. There's the air conditioning's all there. Would need to be converted to 134. Power brakes, power steering. And all the lights work. So, as far as mechanically, in pretty good shape. Any questions? 605-695-7391.